In this question, we've got a set of axes, as if we're drawing a graph, and we've got a little bit of line on our graph. And we've got to find the gradient of the line. Well, gradient is a measure of how steep something is. You'll get a number answer. If a line is going uphill, you always get a positive answer, a plus number answer. If it was going downhill, so if it was going the direction the pen is, then you would get a minus number answer. If it was flat, it has a gradient of 0. And the way to work out gradient is you always do your up number, or how far the line has gone up, divided by how far the line has gone across. And if you do that sum, you always get your gradient. So this bit of line here, how far has it gone up? Well, that end of the line is at 2. This bit of line is level with 8. So from here to here, it's gone up. From 2 to 8, it's gone up 6. How far has it gone across? Well, here, the start of the line is above 2. The end of the line is above 4. So it's gone across from 2 to 4. So it's gone across 2. And 6 divided by 2 is 3. Then just check, is it going uphill or is it going downhill? It's going uphill, so nothing else we had to do. If it was going downhill, then we'd have had to put a minus sign in. But ours isn't going downhill, so we can just leave the answer there as 3. If we look at some other lines on a different set of axes, again for each one you do up number divided by the across number. And let's look at the line joining A and B first of all. The line joining A and B, look at the height. Well, that started at 6 and it's ended at 10. So from 6 to 10 it's gone up 4. How far has it gone across? Well, you could just count the squares, 1, 2, 3, 4. Well, you could say it's gone from 1 across to 5 across. Whichever way you do it, it's gone across 4. And 4 divided by 4 is 1. 4 things shared between 4 people, they get 1 each. So the gradient of this line here is 1. And a gradient of 1 means for every 1 square you go along, you go this many up. Now have a look. Go 1 square along, you go 1 up. That works. If we look at the next line, the line joining C to D, C is a height of 2 on the y-axis, so that is at 2. D is level with 10. So this has gone up from 2 to 10. So it's gone up 8. How far has it gone across? Well, it started off here level with a 3. The D is level with the 7. It's gone across from there to there. From 3 to 7, it's gone across 4. So the sum I need to do is 8 divided by 4. 8 divided by 4 is 2. So this line has a gradient of 2. Gradient of 2 means for every 1 you go along, you go up 2. And if we check it here, that's right on this line. Wherever I choose 1 along, I go 2 up. And again, the bigger the number, the steeper the line. This line is steeper than that line. In fact, it's twice as steep. Finally, the line joining E to F. The across number, well, we started above the 8, we finished above the 10. So the across number, I've done this one the other way around, haven't I? The across number there is 2, so that's the second number. The up number, well, E was level with 2, F was level with 10, so from 2 to 10, that's a distance of 8. And the up number divided by the across number, 8 divided by 2 is 4. So the gradient of this line is 4, and that should mean for every 1 we go across, we're going up 4. And if you look at it there, for every 1 you go across, you are going up 1, 2, 3, 4. That works. All of these lines were uphill lines, so they don't need any minus signs. However, if we look at some other examples on a different grid, some of these lines are going downhill. For example, if I look at the line here from E to F, I still need to do the up number divided by the across number. So from E to F, how far has it gone up? Or you can think about how far has it gone down, it doesn't really matter. But from here to here, I've gone down 1, 2, 3, 4. How far have I gone across from here to here? 2. 4 divided by 2 is 2. But because it's going downhill, the answer is a -2. If you want, one way of thinking of it is, how many did I go up from E to F? I went up, -4. Actually, I went down. You can think of it that way if you want to, but the main thing is, if it's going downhill, put a minus in front of your answer. So if we look at this line here, from I to J, the up number, or the down number in this case, is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. The across number from I to J is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. It's a downhill line, it's going that way, a downhill line, so it's a -3 or a -3.